I've got a challenge for you. And if you follow it, you almost can't help but get more profitable. It's free. I'll help you if you're stuck at no charge. And it requires a commitment to 4 rules. And I think it's important that you do it over the course of the next 75 jobs. So how long will that take you? Depending on the size of your business, could take a few weeks, could take a couple of months. Here's the 4 rules. 1, you can't start any job without a budget first. Reconstruction or mitigation. Number 2, one person has to be financially responsible. Can't be multiple people, one person. Number 3, you have to review the budget versus the actual for each one of these 75 jobs. Mitigation, you can review it just at the end of the job. Reconstruction, you need to review it multiple times throughout the life of the job to make sure you're staying on track. Number 4, you've got to have a lessons learned debrief. The owner or manager and the person financially responsible. A very easy framework for this is an acronym LBNT. What did we like best about how this job ran? What are we going to do differently next time? That's it. Keep track of them on a spreadsheet. 75 jobs, the next 75 jobs, regardless of the size, regardless of reconstruction or mitigation. And it, again, you almost can't help but get more profitable. If you need any guidance on it, book a call with me and I'll be happy to talk to you about it. See you in the next video. Take me up on the challenge. You'll be so happy you did.